Ladies, spring is right around the corner, so I've come up with a really fresh spring makeup look today. You can do this in under 10 minutes. It's taken me longer because I'm chatting along the way. But this is the makeup that I wore in a few videos back, and I got a lot of comments asking if I could recreate it. So here it is. I think I just added a little more highlighter in this look. So if you like makeup videos and you aren't subscribed, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I do fashion, makeup, weight loss, and lifestyle videos for us women over 50. So I already did put some moisturizer on my face, but I'm gonna put a little bit more because my skin is just feeling really dry. And I'm not putting sunscreen on today because I'm gonna be in the house all day. You can see how sensitive my skin is because when I touch it, it really gets red. And my rosacea is always worse this time of the year. And put on the MAC Paint Pot Painterly all over my eyelids. I like to use this as a primer. Sometimes I'll just wear this as, a one and done eyeshadow. It just hides any blueness or discoloration that I have on my eyelids. So in that video, I was wearing the IT CC Cream Illumination. I'm wearing light medium. I'm not a huge fan of the IT Cosmetics CC Cream, but I do like the Illumination one. So I'm just gonna put one pump on the back of my hand. And how I have been applying this lately, and I really do like the finish that I get, is with the BK Beauty 109, I think it's called the Contoured Foundation Brush. Anyways, I used to put it on with my fingers. I have used a Beauty Blender, and I prefer the Beauty Blender method, but now I prefer this. So what I do is I just put it on the back of my hand, and then I dip my brush into it, pick a little bit up, and then I just kind of bounce all over to apply the CC cream. And then I just kind of keep bouncing until it's pressed into my skin. And then I even go over on my eyelid, pay special attention around my nose because I have oily skin. So I tend to lose the foundation on my nose. But you can already see how much it hides the redness. And I still have a little bit left on my hand. So it usually takes 2 pumps for my face. And then I just really take my time and press it into my skin. That is what I have found to be key for it to last and to look good. So there you go. You can still see the redness on this side. I'll do another full pump, and then I'll do my left side. And I always go underneath my jaw and then just pull it down a little bit. I don't like putting makeup on my neck. I know some people do, but I don't. And then I just really look at myself really good in the magnifying mirror. And then just keep pressing it in. I really spend a lot of time doing this. Now, I don't always wear concealer, but I will put a little bit on just to hide a little discoloration underneath my eyes, because I did not sleep very good last night. And then I'm gonna take Angie Hot & Flashy's concealer brush, and I just work it in. And I even go like up into the corner of the eye. I just take it all around the eye and really, take my time working it in. And you can see how that hides any redness, and that is the Lancome concealer. It's in Buff Neutral. So at this point, I would naturally use a face powder just to set my makeup because I have oily skin. But what I've been doing is using this IT Cosmetics Celebration Foundation, and it's in the color Light. And I use it as my setting powder because it's just a way for me to use it as a powder to set my makeup, but also, if I've missed any spots, just fill them in. And I'm just taking a ball-on brush, and I just go in circles all around. And see the nice finish that I get with that? So I like those two IT Cosmetics products working together like that. I find that's how I have been able to make the CC cream work the best for me, because I've never really been a fan of their CC cream. I've always found it too thick, and I find that it would oxidize on me. But I really like it this way. And for underneath my eyes, I'm just using the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Brightening powder. It's in the fairest shade. And I'm using the Sigma F35 brush. Just put a little bit of powder on. And then I just go all over my eyes and underneath my eyes. And then I'm just gonna put a little bit down center of my nose. You don't have to do that, but I like to do it. Okay, so now next up I'm going to, I think I'm gonna do my bronzer. So the bronzer that I use all the time and I absolutely love is the L'Oreal Lumi bronzer, and I have it in shade 1. So I'm going in with that same It Cosmetics ball wand brush, and I'm not like contouring, I'm just giving myself a little color and then pull it down the neck. And then I think I'm gonna do my eyebrows. This is new to me. It is the Benefit Goof Proof Back Brow Pencil. Anyways, I'll write everything and link everything in the description box. You'll see 3 dots and it says more. Click on the more, and then that expands the description box, and that's where all of the links live. And I also pin them in the pinned comment where you leave your comments for me. So I like this eyebrow pencil. It has a slanted head to it. And what I've been doing is I just start here where I should have a brow. And then I just kind of come across and trace underneath where my brows are, and then just extend it a little bit because I'm missing my tail. I really love this eyebrow pencil. I have always loved the Cosmetics one, but I think I like this one more. I really do enjoy it. So then I just take the spoolie and just brush everything up. And if I have to fill in more, then I just, fill in a little more. That's not too bad. And then I can clean it up after with some concealer. So I just flick it up and then go underneath. Okay, so just a little thing, I'm gonna show you what I do. Like, I found that I came down too low here. So I'm just taking the concealer, wiping off any excess. And then I'm just gonna put 2 little dots there above each eye. And then I'm gonna take that Angie concealer brush, and I'm using the outer edge. And I'm just basically working it into the skin. There, you'd never know that, I can't speak today, that I put them on a little too low. And that just helps to clean up. Okay, so next up I'm going to do my blush, and I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury blush wand. So just squeezing a little bit up. I really like this blush. This is the Pillow Talk. And then I've just been putting like a couple of dabs there. And then I'm taking this BK Beauty 106 brush and just popping it into the skin. Such a pretty blush. Perfect for spring. And then if you feel like you've overdone the blush, I just take the foundation brush and, with whatever product is on it, just kind of clean it up, and there you go. And then for highlighter, I have another beauty wand. This is what I wanted, was the highlight one. But my top, I went to wipe it off, and I think I might have damaged the top. Well, I might as well show you what I did. I ruined the top. It's all coming out. So what I'm gonna do is just put a little bit on my brush and just dab it over the blush. What I'm gonna do is I closed it so no more product can come out, but I'm just gonna put it on this contour brush and just dab some down the center of my nose, my chin, Cupid's bow, and then just a little bit above each eyebrow. But typically I would tap it on, but I seem to have screwed up this top. I like the product, I don't like the application method. There. So what I sometimes do is I'll just take my bronzer and a crease brush, and then I'll just go back and forth in my eye socket just to create a little bit of a shadow. Even that by itself is just pretty for the spring. And then I'm going to take this tiny little BK Beauty 204 brush, dip it in the bronzer, and I'm just going to take it 2/3 of the way underneath my eye. I don't know if you can see how subtle it is, but you can see the difference between this eye and this eye. And then I just connect it, kind of go in the corner there. I don't do a wing or anything. I could never get the hang of them. And I just go up like that. Oh, Buddy's crying. He wants in. But I know what he wants. He wants to get in the shower where it's all wet and he lays in the shower. He's crazy. I think what I'm going to do now is I'm going to tight line my upper water line. You do not have to do this, and eye doctors recommend that you don't do it because you can plug your tear ducts that are in there. But I don't like putting eyeliner on my my eyelid, so I don't do that. And I don't wear it every day. And this eyeliner was by L'Oreal. And then on my bottom waterline, I find this is what makes all the difference in the world, is I'm just wearing like a nude color. And I just drive over the waterline. You can see it just takes away any redness and brightens up my eyes. My eyes are red today. They're very irritated. It's dry in the house and I have my contacts in. And then for my eyelid, I'm just doing a one and done eyeshadow from Charlotte Tilbury. This is Pillow Talk. I want to use it up before it dries up on me. And I just basically go over the lid. Such a pretty color. I can hear you, buddy. That's quite a song you're singing. And then if you want, you can just take your finger and press it in. And then for my mascara, I didn't curl my eyelashes. I did buy that eyelash curler, but I don't know where I put it. I love this mascara. It really lengthens and curls my lashes. I just get some on my bottom and I'll clean it up after. I think this combination of makeup is very pretty for spring, and it really goes nice with this lady jacket from Talbot's. I love the color. I'm just wearing it by itself. I don't have anything on under it. So it's so versatile. You can use it, you know, wear it by itself, wear it as a sweater. Looks great with jeans, dress pants. It's available in a ton of colors. So I really like this color. So now I'm just gonna set everything with the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. Now I'm gonna line my lips, and I'm using the Pillow Talk 2 in medium. My lips, my top lip especially, is getting very narrow, thin at my top lip. So I've been kind of overdrawing it. Where is my, did I forget my lipstick? Oh, no, here it is. I've had this one for a while. It's Gypsy Rose by Chantecaille. It's a really pretty pink. I just put it on my bottom lip and then I smush them. And then, because I love lip gloss, I'm just gonna put a little bit of this new one by Dior right there. And there we go. And now my perfume du jour is the Jo Malone Cherry Blossom. Very nice, really nice for spring. So this is a finished look. What do you think? I think it turned out really nice. It's a nice, glowy spring look. If you want to see more makeup videos, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. That just lets me know that you enjoy this type of content. And if you haven't seen this video, go check it out and I'll meet you over there. Thanks for watching. Bye.